We are sitting in the historic Manley Hot Springs Resort at the bar, and we're going to enjoy some onion rings and coffee. And I'm having a Pepsi. I would have asked for coffee too, but I'm pretty slow at coffee drinking, so.
There's my honey with his Pepsi. Cheers. Wait a second. Wait. Here. Ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers to a safe trip back home.
Now it's recording. We are on our first date.
In about 5 years.
Yeah.
Because somebody always has to stay at the cabin.
Yeah. And what better place than Manley Hot Springs Resort? Huh?
It's the only place close by.
Well,
Close.
You don't have to tell
Close,
everybody. Close, yes, without having to drive many hours.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's a really great place to visit. So if you ever get to Alaska, stop in and say hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Well, it is one gorgeous day around these parts today. Beautiful sunshine all day long. I'm on a doctor-ordered 72-hour bed rest. I'm not supposed to be up on my leg. It seems that my meniscus was not torn, it was bruised, and then I have a pulled hamstring, and was told to stay off my leg for 72 hours. Well, around these parts, that's kind of hard to do, but I've only been up just a little bit. I do have the brace on, so let's see what happens. Anyway, Michelle went out earlier on the Scandic and to take the dog for a run and came back. She found some firewood. Where she came up with this, I'll never know, but obviously from one of the spots we had been cutting in. Snow is beginning to melt as temperatures climb almost daily. It's about 34 degrees right now, and because we have a massive amount of snow that fell during the winter, and it's going to take it a while to melt to where we can start getting out here and actually dealing with things, getting things cleaned up, picked up, put away, and the pole barn started. This is a major challenge. This is my shop. You see this right here? This is normally above my head, but the snow level out here puts it about the middle of my stomach. Anyway, everything in here got toppled. Workbench back there got tipped over. At one point, this table was over, but I got it straightened up. Everything got dumped onto the ground, and slowly but surely I've been in here kind of picking things up, putting things someplace. But this is all going to get rebuilt at some point and reinforced. And this little damage project, we're slowly but surely getting the snow out of here. It's taking a while, but going to get the snow out, get this top off, get the frame assessed as to what can be straightened out and used, and then This basically will become a pole barn. And I'll take you along and show you how I'm going to do that once we get started on it. And there was damage to the cover for the chicken pen. That can easily be fixed. I'm not too worried about that right now at this particular moment in time. But the collapse of this tarp was a little bit discouraging due to the fact that under that hump of snow right there is a round patio table, and on that table are some critical components that I need. One being the new spark plug for the Honda generator. We can't keep the generator running very long because the spark plug is bad on it. And that is a little something that I'm going to talk about in another video. I have a wife that is absolutely amazing in the kitchen. Just saying. The chores this spring are somewhat monumental, and instead of the way it's been the last few summers, Michelle has spent almost the entire summers in Fairbanks, or back and forth, I should say. We have a river taxi service that we use. He's got a fairly large boat, so he can carry a fairly large load. And we have done that almost every summer. This summer, though, she's going to be here. And we're going to be taking you along on all of the projects that are going to be going on, including the tiny cabin up front. Well, some folks had made the comment about how when Michelle and I left the trail the other day that we worked together without arguing and fighting and fussing. And when you live a lifestyle like this, you and your partner have to be a team. You have to learn to work together, and it'll work every time.
I just need to get enough off of here so I can get into that freezer. So I don't know how I'm going to do that.
Okay.
I heard Ebony in there squeaking.